Are you looking to escape winter, maybe buy a lock and leave it place so you can come down here, hang out in the Florida sunshine? I've got a place for you that's in a 55+ community that offers resort style amenities and an active lifestyle. If you can imagine yourself playing pickleball, enjoying swimming, drinks by the pool, then this may be the place for you. And to top it all off, right now, it's the best value in Del Webb. So come on and let's take a look. Step inside this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom villa and discover the beauty of modern living with high-end upgrades that set this home apart. Featuring impact glass throughout, this villa ensures your safety while enhancing energy efficiency and noise reduction. Peace of mind has never looked so elegant. The heart of the home shines with upgraded kitchen cabinets equipped with soft close drawers, blending functionality with style. Designer features extend to every corner, complemented by upgraded light fixtures, leathered granite countertops, and under-cabinet lighting. The dining area opens to a spacious living room beaming with natural light. Enjoy ultimate privacy with a split bedroom floor plan. This thoughtful layout ensures that you and your guests have personal retreats within the home, offering seclusion and comfort whenever needed. Practicality meets luxury with the inclusion of a stacked washer and dryer, providing you with an added storage and convenience that makes everyday tasks a breeze. All of this is nestled within a gated community brimming with resort-style amenities, from a sparkling pool to tennis courts, pickleball courts, and a clubhouse. Every day is an opportunity for relaxation and recreation. Don't imagine living luxury, experience it here in Del Webb. For more information on this house and the price and information about Del Webb, see the link right below or give me a call, and I'll see you next time.